Okay, hi everybody. We have just finished chapter 4, okay? We've just had chapter 4 read to you, okay? And here are some questions, okay? These are some of the questions that you've got I want you to respond to after having heard the chapter, okay? Like this one's a good one. Does the spacesuit look like it expected you to? Why or why not? Why does the jazz say the whiteboard is from Victorian times? Why does the jazz think the whiteboard is so old? Okay? Why? So all of these questions here. But what I don't want you to do is this one here. Design your own futuristic classroom on paper. You can do if you really want to. Okay, but this one is not essential. Okay, to design because we've already done our class timetable. Okay, we've done something similar. What I do want us to look at today is pronouns. Okay, and different types of pronouns. Okay, now I'm going to bring this up here. We need to go through our first of all, our aim is to be able to identify different types of pronouns, okay, and to identify a pronoun. And it even says it here: a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Okay, so here we have a good example. Anna ate her tea when she got home. We use these pronouns as we don't want to say Anna ate Anna's tea when Anna got home. Okay? Because that sounds a bit silly, doesn't it? Yeah? You're saying Anna too many times. So you use the pronouns in those places. Anna ate her tea when she got home. Okay? And there were 7 different types of pronoun. I'm going to read each one to you and give you the example. Okay? First of all, personal pronouns. These represent people, places, and things. And look at all of these different ones, okay, that there are. And an example is she gave him a piano lesson. Okay? These represent, so she gave him, and they represent people in this situation. Okay? Possessive pronoun. These show ownership and replace possessive noun phrases. So so they could be things like mine, that drink is mine. Okay, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. The piano is his. The piano is mine. Okay, you can have all those different ones for possession. Okay, next one, relative. These link one part of a sentence to another part by introducing the relative clause that describes an earlier noun or pronoun. So here we go. Look, here's an example. Jack is the person who plays the piano. Okay, so Jack is so it links Jack to the person who plays the piano. Jack is the person who plays the piano. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to an earlier noun or pronoun in a sentence, so the performing and receiving of an action apply to the same person or thing. This one is a bit of a tricky one, but this one is the kind of myself, yourself, himself, herself, okay, ourselves and themselves. So she taught herself. How did I don't know. Let's give an example. How did Zalaika get so good at playing basketball? Well, she taught herself. Okay. Demonstrative pronouns. These function as subjects of objects in a sentence, replacing nouns. So, this is my instrument. Yeah. Those are my shoes. That is my hat. Okay, so that's a demonstrative pronoun. Then you have interrogative pronouns. Okay, these are used to ask questions and represent an unknown subject or object. Who, whom, what, which, whose. Who is playing? Yeah, what is that? Yeah, whose ball does whose ball is that? Yeah, which one of you is making that noise? Yeah, okay. And the last one is indefinite pronouns. These do not refer to any specific person or thing, but to take the place of nouns in a sentence. Somebody, someone, something, anybody. I haven't seen anyone. Has anyone seen my shoes? Somebody did this, and they are going to be in trouble. Yeah? If I find out, yeah, do you mean like that? That kind of thing. So where it's not a specific person. Has anybody done this to the, yeah? Has anybody, like that kind of thing. Okay? That's examples there. Now, you don't need to know the names of all of these. Don't worry. I'm not going to ask you, I'm not going to go, right, Harry, tell me all the interrogative pronouns. But I do want you to know as many of these as you can, okay? And when they come up, you can refer to, you can keep this piece of paper, okay, in the activity, okay? And I'll bring that up now, okay? Then, let's have a look. Put it in Tuesday today. Where are we? Okay. Spot the pronoun. And this is the spot the pronoun activity. Okay. Now, I'm going to, here we go. So there are two different activities to do. First of all, put a circle around all of the pronouns in the box. Use the sheet to help you, okay? Use the sheet, okay? And then underneath each pronoun, use a coloured pencil to write what type of pronoun it was. So look, there we go. That's one pronoun found, me. And we know it's a personal pronoun. So underneath, in brackets, write personal. So do that for the rest of the page, okay? That's the activity. Okay, good luck with your pronoun activity for today and responding to the questions.